Today, I stand before you to discuss a topic that lies at the very core of our faith, a concept that defines our relationship with Allah and the cornerstone of our belief system, the importance of Tawheed, the oneness of Allah in Islam. Imagine for a moment the vastness of the universe, the galaxies scattered across the endless expanse of space. Contemplate the intricate beauty of nature, from the delicate petals of a rose to the awe-inspiring power of a thunderstorm. Reflect on the complexity of the human body with its intricately woven systems. In all this wonder, there is a common thread that unifies everything, a single force that brings it all into existence and sustains it. Allah, the one and only. Tawheed is the recognition, the acknowledgement, and the unwavering belief in the oneness of Allah. It is the foundation upon which our faith is built, the essence that permeates every aspect of our lives. Tawheed teaches us that there is no deity worthy of worship except Allah, the creator of the heavens and the earth, the sustainer of all that exists. Why is Tawheed so emotionally significant? Because it fills our hearts with an indescribable sense of purpose, love, and awe. It liberates us from the chains of idolatry, materialism, and worldly attachments, and grants us a profound sense of tranquility and contentment. It reminds us that we are not alone in this vast universe, that there is a divine being who knows us intimately, who listens to our prayers, and who guides us through the trials and tribulations of life. Tawheed offers solace to the broken-hearted, for it assures us that Allah is the all-merciful, the all-compassionate. It reassures us that He is closer to us than our jugular vein, that He hears our whispered pleas in the darkest nights and answers them with unimaginable mercy. It is in the embrace of Tawheed that we find refuge and strength, knowing that our struggles are not in vain, and that our ultimate reward lies in the eternal presence of our Creator. Moreover, Tawheed provides us with a profound sense of identity and unity as an ummah. It erases the boundaries of race, nationality, and social status, uniting us under the banner of Islam. Regardless of our differences, we are all equal in our submission to Allah, bonded by our shared belief in His oneness. Yet Tawheed is not merely a concept to be acknowledged intellectually. It is a call to action, a transformative force that shapes our behavior and character. It compels us to live lives of righteousness, justice, and compassion. It inspires us to fulfill the rights of Allah and the rights of His creation. Tawheed teaches us that our purpose is not merely to accumulate wealth and worldly success, but to worship Allah alone, to strive for excellence in our actions, and to be a source of goodness in the world. In conclusion, my dear brothers and sisters, let us cherish the gift of Tawheed. Let us nurture our understanding of the oneness of Allah and cultivate a deep emotional connection with our Creator. May Tawheed be the guiding light that illuminates our path, the source of our strength in times of adversity, and the foundation upon which we build our lives. May Allah bless us all with the sweetness of Tawheed, and may it be a means of attaining His pleasure and eternal salvation. Ameen.